So I'm here with Wendy Williamson, who is the Chief Executive of the Independent Automotive Aftermarket Federation. And Wendy, first of all, how has the year been, the successes you've had this year for the IAAF?
Well, we've had an absolutely fantastic start to the year. The first news we had was the fact the government had decided not to move from the 311 MOT to 411, which we vigorously fought against in conjunction with many of our colleagues across the industry who are part of the AALG, which is the Automotive Aftermarket Liaison Group. So really a fantastic victory, more for common sense, because all the stats showed that if the government were to move from a 311 testing regime to 411, it would have resulted in more accidents and injuries and even fatalities. So that was a good start, quickly followed by type approval. This is an area we've been lobbying on for the last 3 years. And we managed to secure some really important amendments in the legislation that was approved by the European Parliament just last month. And just to indicate how important these are including keeping the OBD port alive for RMI information and making sure that information is available in an electronic processable format. So really, really good building blocks for the aftermarket.
And obviously, as one of the leading industry bodies, you've got a good view of what's coming up and what challenges garages are going to face. Any points on that? What are the biggest challenges for the industry?
Well, I think one of the challenges is making sure that we've got the right legislation in place to make sure that we are able to operate in the independent aftermarket. And interestingly, the point I've just referred to on type approval, because the legislation doesn't actually take effect until September 2020, and clearly we are due to exit the EU in March 2019, there's now a question mark arisen as to where this legislation will now sit. So we will need to continue to lobby to make sure that all these hard-fought gains we don't lose. But really moving on from type approval, the next is the longer-term way that the independent aftermarket are able to access the vehicle, both in the workshop and while the vehicle's on the move. Clearly, we have differing ways to how this is done from the vehicle manufacturers. They want to go down the extended vehicle route, and what that means is that all access to the vehicle would be using their servers, their interfaces, their permissions, ultimately their tools, and we feel this gives them privileged access to the marketplace, which we think is anti-competitive. Now, the solution that the aftermarket are proposing is a standard interoperable platform, whereby the access it's a level playing field. So it gives access to all workshops. And in a recent report come out of the EU Commission, this is the preferred solution, which meets all the requirements of security, standard and fair competition.
Brilliant. Thanks very much for your time. Thank you.